Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
तू बहुत
मिल जाएगा ना
endorsement
डिजिटल पे डील.
ये मेरे को कोई एंडोर्समेंट का समझ नहीं आता. जब आएगा तब उस बार तभी बात करेंगे. अब तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ आग बाकरी ना, तू थोड़ी ना बोल रहा है. और तेरे को चाय पत्ती
तेरे
का ऐड
नंबर
करना तो कर ले. मैं बनियान के करूंगा ऐड.
Well, the only thing they both did was pull my leg throughout. They just
लंबी
kept
हो गई है
making fun
संदीपा.
of me.
Sandeepa has become so tall that in a next show that she's not fitting the frame.
Shut up.
That is
See, this is
expected.
what I'm talking about. I'm rubbish, they'll say.
हम लोग ये बाद में करते हैं. लोग क्या पहले खत्म हो गया.
Okay, call me once you're done. We're going to the park. Can you give me the location? What do I have to punch in?
Sorry, wait, just roam around here. I'll come.
Should we get on with our life or would you like to mute yourself?
Yeah. Come on, let's finish.
You should mute yourself, na bro, when this is happening.
Actually, yeah, but now it's fine.
That's, I think, a beautiful thing, though. Actually, to be honest, because behind every successful man there is a woman.
Okay.
Moving on.
Angad Bedi, Sandeepa Dhar and Sikandar Khe's web show Mumbai is all set to stream on Old Balaji and ZEE5, and recently we got into a candid chat with them about the show, characters and more. So let's roll. First up, could you tell us more about your character in the show?
He has humble beginnings, how he comes and works in a ODP, tries to make some money, and then puts that money to good use. He educates himself, he wants to become a police officer, and then how he becomes an encounter specialist, his journey, how he successfully and very rapidly starts climbing the ladder of success, and makes people around him insecure. We've kept him in a very real space. We've shown his his heroism. We've also shown his vulnerability. We've shown his childlike behavior, his immaturity. We've shown the fact that how everybody has certain dreams. अगर जैसे हम लोग एक्टर हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं हर किसी का, जैसे आप जर्नलिस्ट हैं तो किसी का there's always एक शौक होता है कि I wish I was a cricketer. Somebody would say I wish I was a hotelier or a restaurateur or a lawyer. So I feel in that space Bhaskar Shetty is a guy who believes that अगर ये famous हो जाएगा या बड़ा बन जाएगा तो शायद इसके ऊपर कभी एक फिल्म बन सकती है. He loves the fact that he reads about himself in the newspapers. इसकी photographs आती है. He likes to pose for pictures, जैसे अपने trailer में देखा है. And he has the aspiration to move around in the high circle, get to know film actors and powerful people, and that's how he moves. That's his modus operandi, and he takes great pride in taking up his encounter numbers to the maximum. So I feel that the way he talks about his 83 encounters, he brags about it, and that's what his life is. He always wants to be on top of his game and be ahead of everybody else. And that's what I guess at some level also connects with the people who will now start watching it from tomorrow onwards. The reason is because एक जो अंडरडॉग की कहानी होती है ना, वो कहाँ से आते हैं, वो क्या कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन उनसे नहीं होती. There's always एक तरह की हमेशा एक बाधा सी रहती है कि either there's a money situation or there is a emotional crisis or there is like a lot of levels you don't have the know-how how to go about it. Though you have the dreams, but you don't have the know-how or how to channelize it in the right direction. And I think that is what this show is about. It's got a beautiful relationship with his father-like figure in Rama Shetty, who's played by Sikku. And for me, the heart of the show belongs to this relationship. अब आप पूछोगे कि ऐसा क्यों है कि हमने कितने सारे एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट और गैंगस्टर्स और अंडरवर्ल्ड के बीच में कहानियां देखी हैं, तो इसमें क्या नया है? नया इसमें ये है कि इसमें जिस तरीके से हमने one is performance, the other is look, and the third is the equation between these two people. Though they are alpha males, they connect at a very deep level. As Bhaskar will never override the authority of Rama. At the same time, he knows that Rama is pitted against him at a lot of levels. So I feel that it's in a very real space. It's like लोग कहते हैं कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि एक encounter specialist की एक डॉन से कैसे दोस्ती होती है? क्यों नहीं हो सकती? We all come from different walks and phases of life. We all can interact in the same room. Not necessarily we have to get along with each other. we can all, like they say, agree to disagree. We can also all agree to coexist despite not, liking each other. So I think those dynamics play out really well in this show.
But they like each other.
Yeah. Which a lot of people should not know right now. Can you just do this? Just once.
Behave yourself.
How was the preparation for the characters like?
This question is best asked to Siku and Sandeepa because our Suman, who's done a fabulous job in styling, has really put his heart and soul in both their characters really well. So please answer.
Basically, what Angad is saying that we only got costumes only. That's the effort we
Correct.
put in.
And we didn't have to work on the acting bit of it. Only he did all the acting bits, and we just wore our costumes, and Suman did all the hard work, and that's it.
So that's the right answer also. I agree with Angad.
It's not that. It's not that, Sandeepa. You know what I mean as far as Suman investing.
No. Angad, you were very clear.
No. Sandeepa knows the backstory.
अब कल सबको पता चल जाएगा कि हमारे
knows the
He
backstory.
got only plain clothes to wear, and he wanted to wear very stylish clothes, and that's why when we did the Dubai schedule, he got to wear some stylish clothes, and then he was, "Hi, मुझे मिल गए थोड़े कपड़े पहनने के लिए."
नहीं तुम backstory बताओ ना जो करेक्ट.
आप जब देखोगे आपको ये पता चलेगा कि मैंने सिर्फ कॉस्ट्यूम पहने हैं, बाकी मतलब दाढ़ी वाड़ी. It's not me also in most of the shots.
इन भी कपड़ों
Suman
में
is only there.
Suman
Suman
is
is
the
done.
actor.
Angad and Sandeepa, you guys shot for a special sequence in Dubai amidst the pandemic. How was that?
Sandeepa, please tell.
It was quite easy actually. I mean, contrary to what everybody else would have thought that it's going to be difficult and stuff like that, but I think the authorities in Dubai, they were really, really good right from the time we, landed in Dubai. The whole testing process to the fact that they wouldn't allow us to get out of our hotels until and unless the test results came out. And even the way we, when we, went around, we shot a lot in old Dubai because obviously we were showing the 90s, so we couldn't show the modern part of Dubai. So the entire process was very smooth. They all, they helped us throughout, and it was quite an easy breezy shoot.
Angad, what precautions did you take when you came back since you have Meher at home?
यार precautions तो देखो, when you leave the country for an international visit, you get tested. I think it's a 72-hour period that you have to follow that protocol. Then you reach that country. Then in UAE, in Dubai, they make you stay at the airport itself and they retest you again. And then they send you to wherever your residence is. And then after 8 hours, between 8 to 12 hours, you get a report. So for those 8 to 12 hours, जब हम उधर थे, I don't know, अब rules हर जगह बहुत जल्दी change हो रहे हैं. So when we were there, then we did, that whole day we couldn't venture out till the time our results came. Only next day we could get out. And while even we were shooting mostly outdoors because we had to capture Dubai, whether it was the Dubai Creek or the Dubai Museum or the that masala market and many other, like we did the desert safari also, spice market. But there was good social distancing being practiced. A lot of people mostly were in masks, so that was not it was not a stressful situation because that the people who have come into the country and who are walking around freely are not, they could be, well, if the luck is bad, they can be asymptomatic carriers, but उसमें अभी इतना दिमाग नहीं लगा सकते because you never know who is carrying it or not carrying it because it's all in the grey. So I feel, but yeah, it was relatively easier. We did a 12-hour shoot day and we tried to capture everything possible. We were there for, I think, 72 hours literally, and we made the most of it as much as we could. And we practiced social distancing, but it was also nice to, sit with each other and sit on the same table and eat without wearing a mask. So that was quite, like, I was pretty glad कि वो सब हो रहा था.
So,
But Angad, you got tested a lot while we were shooting, even in Bombay, right? Because you have a child at home and stuff like that.
Yeah. I've been tested 17 times now, and I also got a rapid testing done also.
That is a
It's
lot.
not like winning a gold medal, but yeah, whatever. Like
That's a lot of
it's been.
testing.
It's been scary. It's not been easy to shoot in your own country where the numbers are going up like crazy. And then when you have to come home, yes, it is a scare. But at the same time, you have to pick yourself up and go back to work because, 99% of our industry is behind the camera. You have to understand that, and it's because of them that we guys can face the camera. So अगर हम लोग, it's like अगर वो लोग काम पे नहीं जाएंगे तो हमारा भी करियर नहीं बनेगा, you know. और अगर हम लोग काम पे नहीं जाएंगे तो उनके घर में भी चूल्हा नहीं जलेगा. So it's just that. So you got to, yes, you have to be precautious. You have to practice, you know. Social distancing is fine, but then when you know your mask is off, you have to say your lines. You have to, you know, live that moment very in the most honest manner, you know. So, but the thing is that sitting at home is also not an option. So you got to, at some level, pick yourself up and get back to work.
Sikandar, you and Angad have a fun camaraderie. Tell us some anecdotes from the shoot.
It was great fun. Actually, we've been on each other for a long time. It's great fun. Yeah, we had long hours of shoot. We were shooting far away in places, and it's always good to have a friend and a like-minded person around, because it really does take the load off in many ways. Having said that, you know, we would whenever we're shooting together, we would eat together. You know, he'll get like really good food from home, and we would share it. I mean, I would go and probably eat more of it than he would. You know, चाय पिलाता था मुझे, वाग बाकरी का चाय बहुत पिलाता था ये.
ए मत ले नाम, अगर एंडोर्समेंट का चांस होगा वो भी निकल गया हाथ से.
क्यों रे, तू बहुत
मिल जाएगा ना डिजिटल पे डील.
ये मेरे को कोई एंडोर्समेंट का समझ नहीं आता. जब आएगा तब उस बार तभी बात करेंगे. अब तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वाग बाकरी ना, तू थोड़ी ना बोल रहा है. हाँ, तेरे को चाय पत्ती
तेरे नंबर
करना तो कर ले. मैं बनियान के करूंगा ऐड. तो no, so having said that, he is a wonderful actor in terms of like just, you know, on screen. We were.
You join us?
Yeah.
How many do you have left?
Somebody's talking over us. Oh, somebody's talking. Oh, somebody's talking to you.
Who is it? Sikku.
Come.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you have. Oh, sorry, you have an interview. Sorry.
Yeah, it's on. It's live. It's recording.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, but okay. This is another really interesting thing, that every time you would hang.
Yes, John.
I would be
Your
chatting with
coming.
Angad.
Dosa.
हम लोग ये बाद में करते हैं. लोग क्या पहले खत्म हो गया.
Okay, call me once you're done. We're going to the park. Can you give me the location? What do I have to punch in?
Sorry. Just wait for.
आगे निकल आगे बस.
अभी तुम लोग की शादी नहीं हुई है ना, होगी तो ऐसा ही होगा.
अब तो मुझे पता है कि मैं इनको अब ये देखने के बाद तो मुझे पता है कि इनके कमरे के बाहर ताला भी लगाना पड़ेगा ताकि बंद करके रखूं.
Yeah.
This is a crisis.
Wait, just roam around here. I'll come.
Should we get on with our life, or would you like to mute yourself?
Yeah. Come on. Let's finish.
You should mute yourself, na bro, when this is happening.
Actually, yeah. But now it's fine.
Oh.
Sandeepa, was this the kind of fun you always had on sets?
What? Like his family came?
No, I would be chatting with Neha in his van. So yeah, Neha से छुटकारा नहीं मिलता था हम लोगों को, unfortunately. तो वो वहाँ पे भी थी. लेकिन खाना के बारे में वो भी बोलती थी.
I'll have to say something about my wife. She likes to be part of every conversation, even if she's not.
That's, I think, a beautiful thing, though, actually, to be honest. Because behind every successful man, there is a woman.
Okay.
Moving on. The only thing they both did was pull my leg throughout. They just
Lambi
kept
hogi hai
making fun
Sandeepa.
of me.
Sandeepa has become so tall that in her next show that she's doing, she's not fitting the frame.
Shut up.
That is
See, this is
expected.
what I'm talking about. I'm rubbish, they'll say. But it's been fun. It's been a lot of laughter on set. I think both of them have a good sense of humor. Sikku more than Angad. So it's been a lot of fun.
Lastly, the show is about gangsters. So Sandeepa, will you also be seen holding a gun?
Me?
Yes.
In something else for sure, not in Mumbai.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with this trio. If you did, do comment and tell us. Also, don't forget to subscribe to India Forums, Addiction at its best.